it's your girl Annitra here with Different by Design, where faith and fashion connect, and I am coming to you today with another video. If you are returning to my channel to watch another one of my videos, hey girl, hey. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, y'all, welcome. Just make yourself at home. Just click that like button, click that subscribe button, click that notification bell so you can stay tuned for all things faith and fashion. Alright y'all, I'm gonna keep this one as brief as possible because if you've been watching the last few videos on my channel, y'all know that space on my camera is limited and my camera will abruptly and disrespectfully cut me off at any given moment, mid-sentence. It does not care. So I'm gonna keep this one moving briskly, y'all. This one is brought to you today by a birthday coupon and a sale, okay? And we're gonna leave it at that. So this is a Michael Kors find, y'all, and I have been eyeing this bag for a while, y'all, but in a different color. And we all know how social media likes to set me up with the ads, and when this color popped up, I was like, yes, immediately, yes, add to cart. Let me queue up this birthday coupon and place order. No additional questions asked. And so I said, let me go ahead and make this video now because sis has an idea. Sis has plans of using this item this weekend. So I said, let me go ahead and make the video, get it out the way. If I appear tired or sleepy or very low energy, is because I am, y'all. It is Friday night and I have literally been up since, what is it, 4:30, 5 o'clock this morning, y'all, going non-stop. But I said, let me go ahead and make this video so I can use this item. Box here, no major bells or whistles. I am going to open the box and then I will do an official reveal, so stay tuned. So y'all, as I'm sitting here opening this box with my nails in a nail file, I happen to look to my left and I find a pair of earrings that I've been looking for. For whatever reason, I keep losing these earrings and finding them, losing them and finding them. The Lord works in mysterious ways, y'all. Won't he do it? Won't he will. All right, so box is officially open. Oh, y'all. It's giving birthday. This is the first time I've received anything like this. Let me not, listen, it's gonna be a lot going on in this video, y'all. But this is the first time I've received a package like this from Michael. And yes, y'all, I'm in love. Let me keep it moving. Oh, listen. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Y'all saw the thumbnail, so you already know what it is. That's why I try not to bore y'all with the whole unboxing. Y'all, yes. And let me go ahead and read my card from myself to myself. Happy birthday, you deserve it. Yes. Notoriously sending myself love notes. Okay, so let's see here. I don't even want to mess up the box. It's so nice. But remove the ribbon. Let's see here. Okay, let me just take a quick peek, y'all. Okay, all right, so all right, so here we have it. And okay, so she is thoroughly packaged. All right, y'all, so let me, if I say this, another, it looks bigger in the picture, y'all. It looks bigger in the picture, I'm not gonna lie. But as you can see, more pink. So I am going to unwrap all of this, y'all, and do an official reveal, so stay tuned. All right, so before I completely unwrap her, I like to do a little quick inspection. So this is the Michael Kors medium Manhattan satchel, y'all, in the color Rose. And I am in love with this color pink, y'all. What I thought was super cute, and let me know if you guys see it too, this detail here reminds me of like a martini glass, y'all. I just thought that was so cute, and the fact that it's called the Manhattan bag, the Manhattan satchel, like it makes sense. Manhattan martinis, y'all get it? I thought that was kind of cute. And it's on both sides. And I wonder if that was done on purpose or it's just the way my mind works. That's what I see. But yes, so she is such a pretty color. Pink. I don't get rose, I get more of a mauvey pink, but either way it's pretty. As you can see, loving the gold hardware, the gold feet and the studs. So I like what I see so far. Let me finish taking off the rest of the paper, y'all. Okay, y'all, so all of the factory wrapping has been removed from everything except the crossbody strap, which is on the inside, y'all. And so now we can get into the details of this bag. I just think this is just, it's so pretty. It's so classy. It's so elegant. I haven't purchased a Michael Kors bag in a long time, y'all. And if y'all think I'm into Kurt Geiger now or Coach now, listen. Okay, I used to be into Michael Kors the exact same way. If you have not seen my complete Michael Kors collection video, I definitely recommend you check that out. But this bag is just so pretty. I love this, like, and this leather smells amazing. It has the nice little cell phone pocket here, and then the inside, as you, like I said, it's a crossbody, so the shoulder strap slash crossbody strap is here. The inside has plenty of space. It has the zip pockets, and it has the care card and the price tag on the inside of the zip pocket. The lining is let me see, this is that like polyester, and it has yeah, it's like polyester lining, and it has like the Michael Kors logo on it. And y'all, yes, and let's see what else. And it also has the slip pocket on this side. Let me see here. There's the slip pocket here, and like I said, it has the cell phone pocket in the front. And the world is pretty much your oyster on this bag, y'all. This is not a kitchen sink crew. This is kitchen sink crew adjacent. Like when kitchen sink crew realizes they can't bring the whole kitchen sink, they size down slightly. I feel like this is the perfect. I just love this gold hardware against this pink. It's just so pretty, y'all. Just so pretty. And I'm loving, let me see, is it adjustable? Are you able to? No, it's not adjustable. I was wondering if the straps on the front here were adjustable, but they are not. That is just how it is made, the detailing. And then this is the top handle, y'all. Loving the little studs. And then, like I said, the little martini glass stitching on the sides. So pretty. So pretty. This is like art. This is like jewelry. Like, I can't wait. I'll do an outfit of the day whenever I wear this bag, so you guys can see what I style it with. But so pretty, y'all. So let's play around, see what fits inside her, and then I'll give you guys some mod shots. Like I said, this one is very much simple and to the point because my energy level is like, I know my nail's not even long enough. My energy level is here, y'all. My energy level is here right now. So let's see what fits inside. Let me grab, well, it's sitting right here. Let me grab, it's right here. So I carried this number today. And like I said, this is a kitchen sink crew bag. This is kitchen sink crew adjacent. Yeah, so let's see what fits inside. So this one, I feel like will be able to fit. Let's see, we have our key holder, definitely fits. We have gum. We're going to stick that in the front slip pocket for now. We have our card holder. Let's see what else. Can we fit a full-size lotion? I gotta be careful. So I was wearing my Paraglaze today, y'all. So full-size lotion fits. So, but more than likely I will not be carrying full-size lotion with this bag. Obviously my let's see here, will it fit? So let me take the lotion out, take out the key holder and the card case. We're going to try our Julian 17. Does that fit? So the Julian 17 fits perfectly. Let's see here, we're going to fit in our card case on one side. Our key holder can probably squeeze. Yep, we can squeeze the key holder in. And so that leaves space for the phone in the front pocket. And let's see here. Of course, a pen can fit. Let's try some hand sanitizer. And more than likely, I would carry smaller hand sanitizer. I don't like how that's just sitting in there. But as you can see, it fits. And can you close it? Let's see here. And she closes. So literally, y'all, the essentials. The essentials. The makeup bag is extra. I could definitely pare that down, but it definitely adds weight. But listen, she's not struggling to close. I am here for it. And I could also see this, let me see, oh perfect, yes. So I happen to have handy, it's crazy how I can find it now, but when I needed this color for my birthday outfit, y'all, I could not find it. Listen, so we're going to play around with some bag accessories. I wouldn't put a bag chain on this one, y'all, but I would definitely carry this one with nice little bandeau, little twilly scarf here. And let's see, so which side? So we're just gonna do a quick wrapping. I'm gonna wrap this, y'all, because yeah, I'm gonna wrap this and then I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. So I'll be right back. All right, y'all, so this is probably like the extent of which I would do any type of accessories on this bag. This looks so pretty, y'all. I unwrapped the shoulder strap, y'all. I'm not really feeling how the hardware just kind of like sits on top of the bag like that. So I think I'll probably be carrying her for the most part top handle and just like tucking the bag strap in, and we're likely just like pulling it out if I just get tired of carrying her top handle, and or like I'm out and about and I just need to be hands free, and I'll wear her as a crossbody. But like I'm not really feeling this, like it doesn't lie flat, it just like chills on top. So but y'all, this is the bandeau scarf, the twilly scarf. Oh y'all, so pretty. This color is so pretty. Happy birthday to me, y'all. Happy birthday to me. Yeah, so let me give you guys some mod shots. I am 5'7", I am plus size. So if you are interested in seeing what this Michael Kors medium Manhattan satchel looks like on me, stay tuned. Here is our medium Manhattan satchel, top handle style, y'all. More than likely the way I'll be carrying her. Then we have our handy dandy shoulder bag strap here. Let me see if I can, let me adjust the camera so y'all can see. Actually, no, because she has 1, 2, 3, let's see here. She has, this strap has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, child. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 adjustments. I would never carry it to the point where it's almost at my kneecap anyway. So right now I have her on the second adjustment. Gotta keep this moving briskly. All right, so right now she's on the second adjustment, so that's a lot better. Let me still adjust my camera. So right now I have her on the second strap adjustment. More than likely I will put her on the first, because on the second she stops right at my hip. I want to bring her up a little bit. So there she is as a shoulder bag. All right, and now here she is as a crossbody, which is my all-time favorite way to carry my bags. Top handle will be a close second. She is still on the second adjustment, y'all. If I was going to carry her crossbody, I think I would keep her here anyway. Maybe third, no, definitely second adjustment, I would keep her here. First adjustment would basically make her a necklace. It would put her up too high, and the third one down would make her be carried too low. So this is perfection. As you can see, this color pink is just the cat's meow, y'all. I'm just so in love. I think I want to double back and try to get this style bag in another color, but I have to see what they have available. Happy birthday / more than likely happy Valentine's Day, because February is my no buy month. So this is basically 2 presents in one, y'all. So would you add this Michael Kors medium Manhattan satchel to your bag collection? Let me know what you think in the comments below. And that concludes today's video. Would you add this bag to your bag collection? Do you currently own this bag? If so, let me know what color and what your experience has been like in the comments below. Thanks so much for stopping by my channel, y'all. We have surpassed 700 subbies, y'all. We are slowly chugging our way to 1K. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. If you know another bag loving girly who would enjoy this video or any of the other videos on my channel, don't be stingy, y'all. Don't be gatekeepers. Share this video and make sure she likes this video, she subscribes to my channel, and she clicks that notification bell so she too can stay tuned for all things faith and fashion on my channel. Again, my name is Annitra with Different by Design, where faith and fashion connects, and you have a great night.